If making 3,000 naira is not too small for you, then you need to watch this video to the end. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an application that will give you 3,000 naira for just signing up. And there are other cool things you can do on the application to earn money. So without wasting much of your time, let me go to my phone screen and show you guys step by step on how to do everything. So guys, the first thing you have to do is to go to your Play Store or your App Store depending on the device you are using, then search for Card Cosmic. Hope you can see it on the screen very well. So once you search for this, then you click on install. So let's wait for it to install. After installing the application to your phone, hope you can see it here, Card Cosmic, this particular one, then click on it. So now we are going to do the registration. Once the app open like this, you can see there's no money here yet. So yeah, we are going to click on this me here, this place that is showing me. Hope you can see it. So you're going to click on the me. It's going to take you to this place. So they will give you option to log in or to sign up. So you don't have an account yet already. So you're going to click on this sign up here. So once you click on it, this place you are going to fill in all your information, your name, your email address, your phone number, and input your password. After you input your password, this place that they are asking for referral code, you are going to paste this referral code here. So I'm going to put it on the screen. Hope you can see it, the referral code very well. Make sure you input exactly like this if you want to receive the 3k welcome bonus. So let me fill in the information so we go to the next step. So once you input all your information, your name, your email address, your phone number, your password, and the invitation code, very important, don't forget it if you want to receive the welcome bonus. Then this place you are going to click on agree. You can see this agree here. Make sure to click it, make sure it's checked like this. Then you click on sign up. Hope you understand. You click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, they will send OTP to your email. So they have sent the code. See the code here. So we are going to click on it to copy the code. So once you copy the code, we head over to the app, then we paste it. Hope you can see it. So once we paste it, click on verify. Then you can see welcome to Card Cosmic. Hope you can see your 3k will automatically appear. But this is not all. Here's how to earn more money on this application. So let me click on this invite here. So once you invite somebody with the new code they give you, you earn 1,000 naira per each person you invite. So let me show you, there are other tasks. If you create tasks here, you are going to see different tasks you can participate in. You can claim points and all of that. And that is not all. So what is this app all about? With this app, you can use it to trade any types of gift card. So if you have a friend abroad, they send you a gift card, or you registered on all these survey platform and they pay you with gift card, you can come to this application and trade your gift card here. They have the best rates in the market. So there are a lot of ways to earn on this application. If you found this update helpful and you want to keep seeing amazing updates like this from my channel, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so anytime I post video, YouTube will notify you first. So I will see you in my next post. Be expecting more updates from me.